people are listening to you, listening to all this advice, and they're going to want to be sending that email through and having conversations with you, Chris. Is there a good time to change accountants? Like, if the question was, is it good or bad to change accountant at the end of year before you complete and submit your accounts? And
Yes.
this is from a business and personal perspective.
So the new rules on basis periods, and that's another one that we just done an article on recently. Basis periods are, if I was a self-employed market gardener, I could have my year end at any time. So my year end may be the 30th September. And then each year I prepare my accounts to the 30th September. However, HMRC now say that for every sole trader and partnership and limited liability partnership, they want a year end of 31st of March or the 5th of April. So that means that you have to change your year end, and your accountant should be talking to you about this, because if my accounts were made up to the 30th September, in this year, I have to do my accounts for an 18-month period for the 18 months ended 31st of March 2024. And then that means that my tax affairs will be more complicated. Now would be the ideal time to change your accountant, because if you wanted to change to us, we could look at your accounts before they are completed, and then we can go through the expenses. And it may be that there are an element of expenses that people have forgotten to claim or weren't aware they could claim. So some people would be incurring expenses by virtue of their daily tasks and not realize that they can claim perhaps an element for their use of home. Not that there may be some expenses that they incur at home. They don't realize that they can claim tax relief for those. So there's things that we could look at, and also the structures. So if, for the sake of argument, this market gardener's got his accounts done by his accountant today and comes to us tomorrow, then we can't change those accounts to make him a partner because his accountant's already completed them. So we're already a year behind to making any changes.